Hello guys, my name is Raihan Al-Mashrafi. Welcome to Electric Ocean of Bangla. Today I'm going to show you how to create Star Delta Starter Control Circuit using Logic Gate. To create this circuitry, I use the Logic Circuit Simulator Pro app. So let's start the video. First, we will take two push buttons from the Add Element button. We will use one as the start and the other as the stop button. After that, we will take three lights. Let's consider the first one as the main magnetic contactor. The next one as the star magnetic contactor. And the next one as the delta magnetic contactor. Then we will take a NOT gate and a AND gate so that we can turn the main MC or light on and off. We will now connect the start button to the input A of the AND gate. Then we will connect the stop button to the input of the NOT gate. Then we will connect the NOT gate output terminal to the input B of the AND gate. Now we will connect the AND gate output terminal to the main MC or light. You can see when I press the start button, the main MC or light turns on. Again, as soon as I release the button, the light turns off. To maintain its power, latching is required. So we will connect the output Q with the input A of the AND gate. In this way, we can create a direct online starter. Now we will try to understand why we have used NOT gate and AND gate. If we check the truth table of NOT gate, if the input of NOT gate is 0, then output is 1. And if the input is 1, then output is 0. This time, if we see the truth table of AND gate, input A equals 1, B equals 1, then output Q equals 1. That means light will be on. If input A equals 0, B equals 1, then output Q equals 0. That means light will be off. Again, if input A equals 1, B equals 0, then output Q equals 0. That means light will be off. We have broken the latch of the circuit by using NOT gate at B terminal of AND gate. Then, we will take a 10-second off timer to turn the star MC or light off after 10 seconds. Now we will connect the input A of the AND gate to the trigger terminal of the timer. Next, we will connect the stop button terminal to the reset terminal of the timer. Then we will connect the timer output with the star MC or light. Since here the timer goes to off condition after a certain time, as a result, the circuit is disconnected, due to which the star MC or light is turned off. So we can use another 10-second on timer to turn on the delta MC or light after 10 seconds. We will again connect the line coming from the start button with the trigger of the 10-second on timer. Then we will make the reset terminal of both timers common. Then we will connect delta MC or light to the output of the timer. Now you can see that the Star Delta Starter Control Circuit is completely finished. But if we want, we can create a normally open contact of a 10-second off timer using NOT gate and AND gate instead of 10-second on timer. So we will again take a NOT gate and an AND gate. Then we will connect the output terminal of the timer to the input terminal of the NOT gate. Then we will connect the output terminal of the NOT gate to the input B of the AND gate. Now we will connect the line coming from the start button to the trigger terminal of the timer to the AND gate input A. Then we will connect the AND gate output terminal with delta MC or light. Now if we observe the circuit carefully, we will see that when the timer is off, the supply goes from the output of the NOT gate to the input B of the AND gate. But the delta MC does not turn on. Because we know that the supply has to go to both inputs of the AND gate, that means the input of both must be 1. Otherwise, the delta MC will not turn on. Now if we press the start button, then the main MC and timer are started by latching in the AND gate. As a result, the output of the timer is 1 and the star MC is also started, due to which the input of the NOT gate connected to the output of the timer is 1 and the output is 0. So the delta MC is not started either. When the timer's counting is over, its output becomes 0. Star MC is also turns off. So the input of NOT gate becomes 0 and output becomes 1, due to which now both inputs of AND gate are 1. As a result, the output is also 1. So delta MC is turned on. If we want, we can also call this timer's normally close NC to normally open NO converter, because after the timer countdown is over, this delta MC is turned on. Now if we press the stop button, then the NOT gate input will become 1 and the output will become 0. As a result, the value of input B of the latching AND gate will become 0, due to which power will not be supplied through the AND gate. As a result, the star delta starter will turn off. In this way, you can create star delta starter control circuit using logic gate. I don't know if this type of logic circuit exists in real life. I made it for fun. If you want, you can also make this type of circuit in Logic Circuit Simulator Pro app and strengthen your logic thinking. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.